This is the first ever powder na alam ko that's acne-prone skin friendly. So kung pawisin ka, lalong-lalo na't ang init-init ngayon, and you're also breakout prone, you need to check this out. Now this powder is from Snake brand. This is their prickly heat cooling powder, pero manonotice ninyo, hindi ito yung usual na red and green na version because yun yung original version, but this one is a special variant with benefits for acne-prone skin. Dati sa Thailand lang meron to, and I actually discovered this nung nasa Bangkok ako. And no joke guys, as in I posted about this sa story ko, and then tinag ko pa si Snake brand na sana dalhin nila to sa Pilipinas. And nagulat talaga ako because Snake brand reached out to me and sabi nila na pinakinggan nila yung feedback ko, and here we are, nirelease nila to almost 1 year later. And I'm so happy. But anyway, for those curious kung ano ba yung difference ng anti-acne variant na to, this one actually is infused with salicylic acid. And yung salicylic acid in a powder, medyo magandang match siya because if you think about it, yung powder, inaabsorb niya yung excess moisture ng skin natin. But if you add salicylic acid, it will also help absorb the excess oil ng skin natin. Para hindi sila maghalo with yung pawis natin and yung mga dead skin cells, both of which can clog yung mga pores natin sa katawan. And also, as you guys know, meron din talagang mga anti-inflammatory properties ang salicylic acid even in a powder form, which is always helpful kapag acne-prone yung skin mo. And apart from that, of course, makita nyo rin dito yung Wild Tanaka. So, Wild Tanaka extract is something na meron din siyang mga anti-inflammatory properties and also some moisture-regulating properties, which means lahat ng effects ng powder na to nabuboost ng Wild Tanaka. And for those curious kung paano ba ito gamitin, it's the same as using other body powders, as in ilalagay mo lang siya after mo mag-shower on dry skin para throughout the day fresh na fresh ka, and then throughout the day pwede ka ring mag-top up para ma-absorb talaga yung pawis. Lalo na again, ang init-init talaga ngayon. And ang dami sa atin is pawisin talaga. And hindi lang mainit, malagkit pa talaga yung panahon ngayon. And fun little bonus lang, this actually has a light citrus scent na in fairness sa lahat ng mga snake powder, ito yung pinaka gusto kong amoy. As in, parang light and fresh lang yung amoy mo. Parang may konting zest. Parang may konting orange scent lang talaga siya. So, I really like it. So, kung gusto niyo pa itong tignan, ilalagay ko na lang to either sa yellow basket, sa TikTok shop tab ko, or sa FB caption, depending on where you're watching, para hindi na kayo mahirapang hanapin to. And promise guys, hindi talaga ako mapapahiya sa inyo sa product na to because 1 year or more than 1 year ko na ata siya talagang ginagamit ever since na-discover ko siya sa Bangkok. And I'm super excited for you guys na matry yung product na to, especially since